Hey friends, if you wish to play music through speakers while using headphones on PC, then please watch this video. Now, the reason people have this dilemma is as follows. Whenever you connect a headphone to a system, a computer, and that headphone has both a mic and what do you say, a listening area, then it will bypass the speaker. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound and then select speakers here. This will shift the audio to the natural speakers and it will solve the problem for you. But in some cases, this is managed by the app which controls the headphones. I like in a 5% cases. So in that case, you will have to contact the manufacturer of the headphones to make the changes to the app. You will not be able to do that locally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.